Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. My friend came to visit, so we indulged in some yummy food. She and I have both been craving hot pot, so we went to this place in Flushing and it was so good.
Thank you.
I've always wanted to do hot pot where they put the bear in and it was really cute.
Ooh, there's texture too.
The system that they have to get your toppings was really cool.
No, right? What do I want? I know, I saw that. I was like, what? Oh, those are the best.
You get your caddy and then you insert the toppings that you want.
Yeah, I feel like put it towards the side.
We also stopped by Daiso. It's been so long since I've gone since I only usually go in California. I was able to pick up some things that I'll show you guys later. We finished our day with a grandma pie pizza and we started to watch this movie called Straight Up, but shortly switched over to Crazy Stupid Love, which was much better of a choice. I've been wanting to go up to my apartment rooftop but have never had the guts to do it alone. Gabby was completely down, so we went up to check it out.
Okay, this girl's just gonna go for it. It's like very windy. Awesome. Very nice.
It was kind of nerve-wracking going up the stairs, but once we got up there, it was so nice and the view wasn't too bad. It was super windy, but still the weather was pretty nice. We had dinner plans in the city and decided to run some food errands. We started off by going to Chinatown to get some egg tarts. Then we went to a tea place to pick up some tea and bubble tea next door.
So cute.
Gabby introduced me to this cheesecake place that is so good. It's called Eileen's. We had some time to kill, so we stopped by Washington Square Park just to chill and talk.
Oh my god! There's no way I'm gonna be able to get that. So cute! He went inside that hole. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
As we made our way down to our dinner spot, we caught some of the sunset and a cute little shop. We ate dinner at Raku and it was perfect because the weather suddenly got cold. I got the tantan hot udon and Gabby got the wakame hot udon. We brought home our treats and ended up having a really nice chat over cheesecake.
I never decide whether I want to put my voice in or go over it.
Go over.
Oh my god, I gotta go insane. Oh my god, okay, so this is what happened. Oh, the park?
So I want to show you guys some of the things that I got. If you didn't know already, I'm obsessed with containers. Gabby found this one at Daiso and I had to get it. It was the perfect container to put Henry's dry food, and I've been looking for a better container, so this purchase was good timing. I also got these 2 glass containers. I love that they have metal tops and are also airtight. I have yet to put something in them, and I almost wish I got a little bit more so maybe I could put some spices, but we'll see. I was in desperate need of mini beauty scissors just to tidy up my eyebrows or cut my lashes, and it's just so much more affordable to get at Daiso. Of course, now Henry gets super nosy. This last thing is actually something Gabby got while she was in Chicago and brought back for me. This is a giant Lego box and it is so cute. And they have different sizes that are stackable, and I might try to see if I can find more in my area. I also used the Lush Bubble Bath Bomb. This is the unicorn horn. I think I might switch over to the bubble ones because I love bubble baths. Just a quick side note, but I also got a new shower curtain and I thought the light looked really cool. I was out and about for work one day and went to Times Square after. It has been such a long time since I've been there. Look how pretty the moon looks. On my way back home, I came across this little party in the subway. Eric and I got some pasta at a nearby Italian place that I've been wanting to try forever. I got spaghetti with clams, and then we shared a fried calamari, and he got the bolognese lasagna. Of course, we watched This Is Us to end the night. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!